How to delete all Instagram data. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete all Instagram data, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete all of your Instagram data, which means all of your histories and everything else, first of all, Instagram will not allow you to do such a thing, because the only way to delete all your data on Instagram, such as your histories, your interactions and everything, is by simply deleting your account. And in order to delete your account, you can log in from instagram.com instead of the app. Come to the profile icon from the bottom right. Then after you come from here, you can tap the gear icon located here, and as you've done that, you want to simply scroll down and go to the option called help. Once you go to help, you can simply search something such as deleting your account. So go to help center here, and then in the search box just type in something similar to delete. As you do that, search for delete account. Tap the first link that says delete your Instagram account, and after that make sure to tap the delete your account option, and you should be able to delete your account. And when you delete your account, all your Instagram data will also get deleted. This way you can delete all Instagram data. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.